It's very easy to keep your Kingon P2 clean. All you need to do is wipe it over with a damp soapy cloth. You don't use any chemicals, don't use bleach, just a soapy cloth that will remove any dirt, dust, fingerprints that may appear on the screen. Not too wet, just a bit damp. Also for maintenance, there is a little filter behind here. There's a small screw that should be undone, the screw removed. Lift up this little catch that's on top of the screw. This filter with the mesh can be easily removed, and then you just run it under a tap. So pat it down just so it's dry with a dishcloth or similar, and put it back into place. So that will just remove any dust that might build up over time. Something you may have to do on a yearly basis. Also, be aware, this is producing concentrated oxygen. You do not want to use this while you are smoking. So please keep it away from any open flames and do not smoke when using an oxygen concentrator.